question 17 for the 2015 practice test PSAT, and it's a non-calc and it's kind of a worked solution that you have to do, and I'm going to do two different solutions to this, okay, so you can pick which one you prefer. I've got x minus 2 as a factor of this quadratic, okay, so this is going to be a smiley face or sad face, so I'm just going to draw this. I don't know what it looks like. Let's say it looks like this. X squared minus bx plus b. It's going to have some kind of shape like that, or a sad face. And we're told x minus 2 is a factor, so I know that when x is 2, then my graph is going to be going through the x-axis, okay? So when x is 2, the y value is 0. Okay, so what does that mean in terms of this? It means if I substitute 2 into this, I sub 2 into this, it has to equal 0, okay? So if I put 2 into this, minus 2b plus b equals 0, I get 4 minus 2b plus b is minus b. Take my minus b to the other side, or add b to both sides, and I get 4 equals b. And this is something called the factor theorem, which is pretty nice, okay? X minus 2 is a factor, so it has to go through x equals 2. That means the y value is 0. So when I sub in 2, then my equation equals 0. Another way you can kind of think of it is, if x minus 2 is a factor, then I also know that there must be some other factor, because it's a quadratic, it's an x squared, so I can say, well, let's call it x minus q, okay? And this has to equal, if I was to expand it, this, okay? Now obviously this, I'm introducing another variable here, but this will make things a bit easier. If I expand all of this, I'm going to get x squared minus 2x minus 2q, and then plus 2q, and all equals this stuff again. And then I'm going to tidy it up. So I'm going to say, right, I've got, sorry, that should be minus, I've just made a slight mistake there. That should be minus qx. Okay, so x squared minus 2x minus qx, and then plus 2q. And then I'm going to take out x as a common factor, so negative x, so it's going to be 2 plus q, and plus 2q, and all of this equals x squared minus bx plus b. And I can see what I can do here now is equate coefficients. So what's in front of the x is b. What's in front of this x? Well, it's 2 plus q. So I can say b is equal to 2 plus q. I've also got b as my constant, and my constant for this one is 2q. So I can say b is equal to 2q. Now, if these are both equal to each other, if they're both equal to b, then I can put 2 plus q is equal to 2q, and I can solve this, so I can take away q from both sides, so I get q equals 2. And if q equals 2, I can put it either back into this one, and I'll get b equals 2 times 2, so b is equal to 4. Same thing if I put it back into this one, I'll get b is equal to 2 plus q, which is 2 plus 2, b is equal to 4. So that's called equating coefficients, which is just as nice, but I think kind of the visual way is nicer, okay? So if you have any questions on that, oh, I wanted to move the whole thing. If you have any questions on that, just give me a shout, okay?